trying to show you my shelf. But I got it. Not you. I'm recording. I can't get this piece in and this piece in, but I got this piece in and that piece in. So I'm gonna try. I purchased this for $5 at the Dollar Tree, and it is definitely worth $5. But I'm trying to think. I'm trying to think. I still can't get this piece in, which is gonna make it lopsided. Boom! I'm trying to think now. Do I want to put two of them together to make a tall one? I am going to use one for my kitchen cleaning supplies, my laundry stuff and all that stuff that's sitting open by the floor. And possibly one is going to go right here. Because like my gloves are in that bag. But I'm thinking... if I put one right there, because my umbrella and stuff stay right here by the door. But for right now, I'll just show you how to put it together. This is absolutely worth $5. And you might have noticed I went to the Dollar Tree this evening. They have a lot of stuff in there. There's a lot of people in there. And this is really nice. I'm gonna see if it actually fits under my my bathroom sink, but I'll see that in a short while. It fit perfectly under my bathroom sink. This is so easy to put together, and these are not glass. This is some of that plexi stuff. I think this is absolutely beautiful for $5. Definitely $5. It's worth $5. But I'm going to tell you something. Just give me a minute. It was wobbly. This is not it's not the cheapest. As you can see, it's not bending, but it's definitely not going to hold a lot when it comes to right here. But this is definitely, I'm going to try to see where I can fit this one now, because I'm thinking of using it for my cards tomorrow if I venture out. And the reason why is because this lip right here will keep them from blowing, because I could put 1, 2, possibly 3 rows here and 3 rows there. Thank you so much for watching my video. Chat you later.